Hello and thank you for joining us in this course. My name is Thomas George, Udemy bestseller.
And I'm Christopher Carvalho, audio engineer.
So what we did is we actually filmed this lecture as one of the latest lectures, and we're going to give you an overview now of what you're going to learn in this course with us.
So we're going to start off with a studio tour and the gear that we used. And then we're going to show you how we set that up. And then we're going to go into the first section where we record and produce a male singer-songwriter. And then we'll go into the post-production section of the male singer-songwriter.
After this, we record a female pop vocalist. And then we deconstruct the mix so you can see on screen with us what we actually did to mix this project.
After this, we recorded a female rap vocalist and show you the whole process of recording her vocals. And then we take you into a post-production session where I deconstruct the mix.
Then we look at creative harmonizing, where we go inside one of my projects that I'm currently working on, and I'll show you exactly how I created these harmonies. And in the bonus section, we mix a choir.
So thanks again for joining this course. We look forward to answering any questions.